Welcome to another video by Doctor's World. In this video, we will discuss dopamine. So let's begin. What is dopamine? This information is from Wikipedia. Dopamine is a hormone and a neurotransmitter, and it plays several important roles in the brain and body. It is organic chemical of catecholamine and phenethylamine families. Dopamine constitutes about 80% of catecholamine content in the brain. So it is the little bit introduction. What is the mechanism of action for dopamine? Dopamine is a precursor to norepinephrine in noradrenergic nerves and is also a neurotransmitter in certain areas of central nervous system. Dopamine can interact with both alpha beta receptors as well as it can interact with the dopamine receptors also. Dopamine produces positive chronotropic and inotropic effects on the myocardium, and it results in increased heart rate and cardiac contractility. Furthermore, it produces vasodilation of the coronary vasculature as well as it produces vasodilation of the renal vasculature. So when it is used to treat heart failure, so the blood flow to the kidneys is not decreased. Here you can see tyrosine is converted into L-DOPA. L-DOPA is converted into dopamine by dopamine decarboxylase. This dopamine is when released. This dopamine can bind to alpha, beta and dopamine receptors. Clinical uses. Dopamine is often used in situations where both cardiac stimulation and peripheral vasoconstriction is desired, such as cardiogenic shock. It is also used to correct the hypotension in the septic shock. Norepinephrine becomes the preferred vasopressor in this condition because in certain conditions I have told you it causes vasodilation. Low dose of dopamine is also used in an attempt to prevent or reverse the acute renal failure because I have told you in case of kidneys it causes vasodilation by binding to the D2 receptors. Adverse effects. Adverse effects are tachyarrhythmias because it is a cardiac stimulant, malignant tachyarrhythmia, multifocal ventricular ectopic ventricular tachycardia. The most feared complication of dopamine infusion is limb necrosis because of the vasoconstriction of the blood vessels that supply the limbs. Extravasation of the drug through a peripheral vein can be treated with local injection of phentolamine, similarly as in the case of norepinephrine. So these are the adverse effects of dopamine. Thank you for watching.